This is Roesafe, who are based down in Andover. They also do a game safe version, which is what I think they started doing for pheasants. Okay, let's see how easy this is to deploy. That flips open incredibly easily. Camouflage, I think the idea there is that you could take it with you for an extended hunt and put it up with your first quarry inside and then continue your hunt knowing that it's all protected from flies. If you were out on an extended stalking outing, you could take this with you and pop it up in the woods. We've got a full length zip here. Yep, that runs fairly easily. And on the inside, we've got a fairly light bit of fitting there. So yeah, that's definitely set up at the moment for a roe. There is a stitched loop in here that you would suspend your game from. Personally, I'm going to be trying to fit a couple of fallow in there, so I'll probably have a go at knocking up a bar that just spreads them out a little bit, stops them touching. Probably some bar or something a little bit stronger, and swap the loop out for chain in there just to take the weight. It's quite tall. You're going to need to find yourself a means. You might even need to use your 6-in-1 pulley system to get it up to height to keep it off the ground. But yeah, nice bit of kit. Pleased with that.